Welcome to Shenzhen WJM Plastic and Silicon Factory in China.
WJM was established in 2002, covering an area of 15,000 square meters and employing more than 200 people. We specialize in protective case for POS, PDA devices, drone protective case, the game controller protective case, camera case, new energy vehicle parts and components, the silicone and plastic products.
Come and take a look at factory. Follow me. First, our R&D department.
We specialize in designing and manufacturing hard plastic cases for a wide range of applications. Using custom plastic molding techniques, we can create precisely molded cases that meet your exact specifications.
Here is our mold making workshop.
Whether it's the pre-treatment of custom molds for silicone sleeves and plastic sleeves, or the wear repair of molds during the production process, we can achieve micron-level grading control.
Here is our mold storage area.
We currently have over 12,000 sets of molds.
This is our silicone workshop.
We are equipped with forming machine. One machine can produce 2,000 units per day. We can customize silicone sleeve products with softness, thickness, color, and irregular structure according to your needs.
Here is our plastic workshop.
We have 11 HAITIAN injection molding machines, all of which are equipped with robotic arms, fully automatic and adaptable to various customization requirements of hard plastic and soft plastic materials.
Next, our quality control department.
We put every product through high standard inspections to ensure a high yield rate.
This is our packaging area. This is our warehouse.
With over 10,000 to 30,000 pieces in stock and 5 to 6 days fast delivery.
This is our sample room. These are our certifications. This is our office.
It includes the marketing department, the sales department, and the administrative department. We mainly apply in the customization of protective cases for various instruments, POS terminals, cameras, and other handheld devices.
WJM is specialized in making customized silicone and plastic products. If you have any needs, please contact us.